I'll start over Monday. Sound familiar? Hiya, Renee Jones here. We could probably play a mean game of bingo with the different ways we promised ourselves things would be different, only to find old habits sneaking back in when life gets stressful, as it does. It's not that you're weak or willpower has failed again. It's that emotional eating isn't really about food. It's about comfort, relief, or reward. And until you understand why your go-to foods have such a pull, the cycle just keeps repeating. And that's exactly what we'll uncover together in the Emotional Eating Reset Workshop. It's a powerful 90-minute breakthrough session created to help you reset your relationship with food and reclaim control. You'll learn how to get the hang of stopping emotional eating in the moment. You'll discover my craving buster technique. And finally, understand why that food feels so irresistible. You'll also leave with a written starter plan, a simple action map to help you create consistent change, even on hard days. Most of all, you'll walk away with something diet can't give you: hope. The kind that says, I can do this, and it doesn't have to hurt. If you've been trying to willpower your way through emotional eating, and it's just not working, this workshop is your chance to start fresh with tools that last. Now, seats are limited. Save yours now for the Emotional Eating Reset Workshop. This could be your turning point. All the best.